back in place for Monday school when the kids would come. And when I hear Pastor Eric would get the love letter from the principal, that you forgot to turn this or you tear this apart, then we outgrew the place. Also, Pastor, I may not be able to mention all of you, but one thing is for sure.
Nakatapat sa akin.
Beg. Vegas, malapit na. Vegas.
Kung ako nagpintes.
Sarap. Papaitan yan. Papaitan yan.
Masarap pa sa pool eh.
Nabayabas pa.
Matawagin mo table. Yeah.
Abeng, papaitan.
Papaitan ko.
Ayun, no?
Best chef niya, ate. Ano ba?
Yan balat.
Sure.
Thanks.
Ay, wala na to.
Ito yung balat eh. Naman yan. Kuha tayong ano, juice.
The very final part of the program, we would like to acknowledge William Martinez on Tehico testimonies, starting with Brother William.
The church members,
Take out.
Elder and Pastor Bruce.
We will take a group picture here.
Meron ako nagtatay eh.
Yes, and they're serving the cake, so enjoy the cake because that's very
Baka punta ng bahay. Masarap. Masarap? You're serving cash. Why ka na ako tayo?
Yes.
Masarap.
all those who love Jesus, amen. Amen. The Lord will bless you and keep you and make His face to shine upon you and be gracious to you. Come and clean up. We have to call each one. Join us, some of the fronts for celebrating with us today.
Huli ka.
All the guests po, thank you for those who came for the funeral. And all the guests, 1 minute.
1 minute.
Dito. Look at Mike.
We're gonna get dog points. When it's quick, we have like less than 20.
Okay, that's it. Tapos na. Yan. Hindi pa tapos. Naglilinis pa sila. Yan, naglilinis pa sila. Okay, dito muna. Relax muna tayo. Yan. This way. Ayan, malinis na. Ayan, pwede na ulit. Pwede na ulit mag-party. Ayan, malinis na. Cerritos Senior Center pala to.
Hollywood star. Maraming
you. Yan. Thanksgiving lunch day. Hi. Tayo. Antok na ako, antok na. Antok na ako. Bye, thank you. What's that? Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Nyo tayo ng car ni Angel. May penalty. May penalty. Ito yung penalty niya, penalty. May penalty si Angel. DMV. MP, yeah. Registration Angel, muna tayo mamaya. Malamig na. Malamig na. Malamig na. Okay, tara. At pa-renew natin yung ano. Yung vehicle registration renewal notice. Vehicle registration renewal notice, Angel. Okay na, yan.